Welcome to this video on the architecture of digital trust. We will provide a definitive guide to the SHA256 cryptographic hash function, covering its mechanics, applications, and visual analysis. SHA256 ensures absolute uniformity with variable input. It mathematically compresses any amount of data, from a few bytes to gigabytes, into a fixed 256-bit signature, represented as a 64-character hexadecimal string. The SHA256 function is built upon four mathematical pillars. It's a one-way function that cannot be reversed. It is collision resistant, meaning it is extremely difficult to find two inputs that produce the same output. The avalanche effect ensures that the slightest change in the input data completely scrambles the resulting output, making undetected data tampering mathematically impossible. The output also always has a fixed size of 256 bits. SHA256 is computationally infeasible to reverse, complying with government security standards. However, pre-computed rainbow tables can exploit a dictionary vulnerability to guess simple or common inputs. The solution for secure password storage is to use a cryptographic salt or deploy specialized, computationally expensive algorithms like Bcrypt, scrypt, or Argon2. Compared to the legacy MD5 standard, SHA256 is the modern standard. It offers a larger output size, is highly optimized, is cryptographically strong, and is secure, making it suitable for digital signatures and secure data integrity. SHA256 forms the infrastructure of the modern web, being used for password verification, file integrity checks, digital signatures, data deduplication, and Git version control. In blockchains, SHA256 is the anchor of immutable ledgers. Every block contains the hash of the previous block, ensuring that any tampering attempt invalidates the entire chain. SHA256 is a universal standard, natively supported by the standard libraries of virtually all modern programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and Java. Tools are available to generate and validate SHA256 hashes interactively. These tools offer frictionless input, instant computation, expected comparison for verification, and API integration for automated tasks. Deep visual hash analysis provides insights into the cryptographic output, including input statistics, clear segmentation of the 64-character hash, character distribution analysis, and binary visualization to demonstrate randomness.